Good afternoon, everyone. So on today's video, we will visit this Distillery District here in downtown Toronto. Let's check it out. Wow, Distillery District means the old distillery. Was established 1832.
Watch another one.
Looks like they have a mini concert here.
Tony, myself, Darren Fuller, and Jay Money wrote, composed it, and Tony there produced it on Deep Summer Records, Satisfied Production. So here we go.
The old classic music. And then later on we're going to check out this royal car. Oh, there's a magician here.
It's a scam. It's a flim flam. It's a swindle. Played all over the world. People lose thousands of dollars playing this game. You guys seen this game before? Yes. Yeah. Three shells, maybe one pig. They mix them up. Yes, a shell would be you win the money. Yes, an empty shell, they take your money. But I'm not going to take your money today. My pickpockets are doing that right now.
Look at this. All the lock. Wow. That music.
I guess it's good. Walang ano sa kanila.
This place is busy today. Let's go check out this ice cream. Maybe you can buy and taste it. Now we are here inside the store. Ah, found it.
She's gonna tell you if you're gonna go around the front there.
Ah. We have candies. No.
要不然你跟爸爸一起吃，你不能吃。Green cheese would be like.
Whew. It's so hot.
What do you think?
Now let's check out these cars. The royal car from Britain. Oh, this is City News.
Yeah, definitely. If you look at the 1983 110A 444 RY, that was
That's the Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth with the Land Rover.
tout ce qui est assets.